Hey guys, thanks for tuning in to Nail Art Madness. Next Saturday is St. Patrick's Day, and I will be doing a giveaway that week. So this week I decided to do another St. Patrick's Day polish swatch. This is Pure Ice Lucky Charming 1023, 0.5 fluid ounces or 15 milliliters. I ordered this from Studio Liquidators for $4.99, free expedited shipping. Studio Liquidators has a special buy two get one free, and here are some of the Pure Ice nail polishes that they have. At first glance, you can see that the formula looks really thin and runny. It is a foil green hollow glitter polish. And like all Pure Ice polishes, the brush is really small and narrow. I am really excited to try out this polish. It looks like a really beautiful color. With the first coat, you can definitely tell that the formula is really thin and sheer. You get a lot of patchiness on the nail. However, there was no flooding or puddling on the nails, which is surprising considering how thin the polish was. It was really easy to apply. The second coat definitely gives you a more pigmented color and a much more even manicure. There is still a little bit of patchiness on the nails, so I'm going to add a third coat. Wow, the third coat is absolutely mesmerizing. This is such a phenomenal polish. It is a foil green with gold sparkles in it, and you get such a beautiful shine off of it. Beautiful. So it's been about 3 days since I did the polish swatch, and there is no chipping or any wear and tear on the polish so far. So that is a big plus. I was a little worried about that where the polish was so thin, but it settles very nicely on the nail and it looks amazing. Rating this polish from 0 to 5 stars, definitely 5 stars for the polish and the supplier. Yes, the polish is a little thin and watery, but it ends up working really well on the nail and you get a fantastic manicure at the end. The only downside that I could really say about the polish is that it doesn't dry very quick at all. Even using a quick dry top coat, it still sort of smudges. So you have to let each of the layers dry completely, and that does take a little bit of time, but it's well worth it. So I'm not sure if Pure Ice nail polish is cruelty free or not. I messaged their website and their social media, and this is the only response, and it was from their website that I got back. So it really doesn't tell me anything at all besides they read my email and they're just not responding. If that changes, I will update the information in the description box. So that is it for this video, guys. I hope y'all enjoyed. Subscribe, like, and share. Stay tuned for the pictures at the end of the video. And be sure to hit your bell for notifications because next Saturday I'm going to be doing a spring giveaway. So be sure to tune into that, and I will see y'all next week. Bye, guys.